Boys, the car parking multiplayer new beta update just dropped. This time, the developers added 4 new cars to the game. The first car is this old Ferrari. I'm not really sure which model this is, but I'm pretty sure it's one of those cars they used to do track racing with back in the 80s. This new Ferrari have got opening doors, hood, and the boot. Nice. The interior looks pretty decent. The car doesn't have any body kits at the moment. It's only got about 12 different air vents or air intakes, which all cost between 30 and 70 coins. And yes, it does support the W16 engine. On the game store, this car goes for 1,000 coins, and it comes with 280 horsepower.
I mean, it's alright, like...
On this new update, the developers have totally remade the mountain map. But we'll talk about that a little bit later because we've still got a few cool features to look at first. But before we carry on with the video, I'd like to give a shout out to these awesome channel supporters. If you also want a shout out on the next video, subscribe and comment shout out. The second car that was added is this Mercedes. It comes with 203 horsepower. And honestly, I think it's kind of look like the Toyota Crown. This new Mercedes have opening doors, bonnet, and the trunk. On the game store, it's being sold at a price of 1,000 coins. Oh, and you can't buy it if you're not in a clan that's on the top 10.
Why, Dada, why?
This is business!
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
It supports the W16 engine, but unfortunately, it doesn't have any body kits. It only have a few spoilers and air intakes that all cost coins. The third car that was added is this Volkswagen Passat. The car doors can be opened, as well as the boot and the bonnet. This car supports the W16 engine, comes with 220 horsepower as stock. And just like the previous car, aka the Mercedes, it also doesn't have any body kits. It only have a couple of spoilers and air intakes. The interior of this Volkswagen is pretty decent. It also have a mini map screen. On the game store, this car is being sold for 1,000 coins. The last car that was added is the Datsun 240Z. This car have a nicely detailed engine, and of course the doors, hood, and trunk can all be opened. This is the first car on this new update that actually have body kits, but unfortunately it doesn't support the W16 engine. It was made by Nissan back in 1969, and as you guys know I have a big heart for classic cars. I personally think this is a legendary car. It would have been really awesome if they added the W16 or V12 engine for this bad boy. And by the way, it's being sold at 3,000 coins, which is a lot considering it doesn't have any W16 engine. On this new update, the developers have added new King rank logos for male and female characters. These rank logos can only be purchased by players that have social media rank and King rank. On the online mode, they've added a new player game tag UI. And when you crash or scratch your car, we now have new animation fire sparks. This update, we didn't get any new animations, houses, and no new parking levels. On the patch notes, the developers said they've done some game optimization, fixed some bugs, and they claim to have fixed the sound of the cars. By the way, boys, if you've made it this far, comment W so I know who the real channel supporters are. On this new update, we've got a new car sound for the Ferrari 458 Italia, and as well as the Dodge Charger Hellcat.
Bruh.
Okay, boys, so we're gonna do a quick comparison of the Hellcat and Dodge Demon car sounds, because these two cars used to sound the same. By the way, boys, both of those cars were stock. Let me know in the comment section which one you personally think sounds better. Now let's quickly have a look at the other cars, car sounds, and then explore the new mountain map.